Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's YouTube channel, I'm gonna be giving you guys some costume Halloween ideas if you are struggling to find out what you're gonna be for Halloween, or you don't want to be super basic. This is gonna be the perfect video for you. So obviously you guys don't know me personally, but I love Halloween. Halloween is my favorite time of the year. I just love to dress up, have fun, be someone I'm not. It's just really fun, and I just like to get creative with it. My favorite place to look for costumes, by the way, if this does not help, is Pinterest. Pinterest has been my best friend for years, especially with Halloween. I have a whole board on Pinterest of Halloween costumes. So if you do want to check that out, I will put that in the corner right here so you guys can check it out. So if you're interested in this video, just keep on watching. Before I get started too, I do want to mention I have really cute couple costume ideas, and I have to because I have a boyfriend. Every year we take turns of what our costume is gonna be. This year was his turn and we were race car drivers. I have so much on my Pinterest too. Or I can make a whole separate video on costume ideas. So starting off strong, number one is gonna be a witch. I think it's super easy, super cute to do, and honestly I don't see girls being witches for some reason. I've been to so many Halloween parties and I've never seen one witch. You can make it sexy, you can make it super cute, and I don't think it would be an expensive costume. You just get a black dress, some heels or some knee-high boots, and then a witch hat and some fuzzy long gloves. Next one is a vampire. Vampire is a super simple costume to get, super on budget, and if you have a partner, you can also be vampires with them too. So it's really convenient costume. Just get a black corset, the cape that they wear, and maybe put some blood on your face just to look extra Halloween-y. And it's just super cute. The accessories and all that you could simply find on Amazon or Shein. I'm sure it has it. Boots, heels, it's just really easy. Number three is Cupid. Okay, I am going to be Cupid this year and I will do a video on that. I got everything off Shein, guys, and I only paid, I believe, only $30-ish for everything. I got the red dress, I got the red heels. The heels were the more expensive, I guess, and I got the ones that have stickers that you can put on your face, and it's jewels and hearts. So I'm gonna put that all around my cheek or something, or right here, and just have fun with it. It's gonna be fun. And I already had wings that I bought a long time ago. They're just angel wings, but I'm just gonna wear that. I know people probably will think, oh, you should wear red wings because Cupid's red, but I have white wings and I'm not gonna waste my money. I don't think it matters. I think technically Cupid has white wings. Number four, I'll say race car driver, just because I was a race car driver. Again, could be a couple costume, super cute costume. I got that one at Fashion Nova. It was $60 or $50, but it was cute. It was an easy costume. Next one, a sexy Freddy Krueger. I love this costume and I want to be this one year, but I need to find the perfect top to go with it, because I see these girls kind of DIYing these tops, and it's so cute. And I feel next year I might be Freddy Krueger. I just love the costume. I know it's kind of a little basic, but just make it your own. I just see these girls kind of just literally make the top super cute, and all you need is the top and then the skirt and the hat, and I think the glove or hand that they use, usually it's knives. You can get fake knives. Super easy costume, and I'm pretty sure that wouldn't even cost too much either. Next costume is a little basic, but I mean, it's super cute. And I know there might be girls wearing that same costume at the party, but if you guys don't care, make it your own, like I said. But I think this one's number 5 or 6. This one's Poison Ivy. I love this costume. Get a red wig, green dress, get really nice heels. There's so many costumes for Poison Ivy and you can do it in different ways, but I just think it's a really good choice. You guys, I'm losing track. I think I'm on number 6 or 7, but the next one, the next one is gonna be Pirate. Again, kind of basic, but super cute and easy to do. I was a pirate last year and I got everything off Shein, and I promise, well, obviously this is not sponsored. I try to be on a budget, especially for Halloween, and I like to buy stuff off, well, like for example, Shein, just because like the things I pick out, I could reuse them for something else. I think it came out super good. I got a lot of compliments. I believe my costume came out to like $20 that year, just because I didn't buy any shoes with it. I already had shoes. Number 7, or next one, is cowgirl. Super cute. You can do so much with this outfit. I will put some examples here. Just get a really cute hat, some really cute boots, and like a top, skirt, and you're a cowgirl. Again, guys, look for inspirations on Pinterest. I do. Amazon has a bunch of cowgirl stuff. Number 8 is Santa Claus, and I mean Mrs. Claus, because I mean, yeah. I think being a Santa for Halloween is super cute. I've never done it, but that would just be so fun, just to be like a Mrs. Claus. And you know, Halloween is close to Christmas, so it's just, I don't know, I think that'd be such a cute costume. Number 9 is a fairy, and you can just do your makeup so cute for this and do your hair up or down, whatever. Be super creative with it. Get a nice dress, some heels, some wings. There's so many inspirations, but I think fairies are super cute. Last is Little Red Riding Hood. This is a really good costume just because you could find everything on a budget, and all you need is like a cute red dress, where you can find on any website, I'm pretty sure. A cape that she wears, and then like a basket. You know, you can wear like high knee socks and some heels. So those were it for my costume ideas. Yeah, I hope you guys liked it. Should have probably numbered them, but oh well. But I really do hope I helped you guys. Let me know down in the comments what you guys are gonna be for Halloween. I am so curious. And let me know what costumes you decide to do that maybe you saw in this video. But I hope it helped you guys, I really do. Follow me on my Instagram. I will put it somewhere in the screen. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video for someone who also is struggling on what they want to be for Halloween. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!